Introducing Sophie for Salesforce from TechSee, the first computer vision AI solution natively built for Salesforce that allows VRA customers to easily develop and deploy visual AI automation. Sophie for Salesforce enables customers to effectively address even the most complex troubleshooting issues, leveraging self-service AI that can recognize and understand images from everyday interactions. Now let's take a look at how this works. iVacuum wants to empower customers and agents with guided self-service and smart assistance. Using Sophie, they built a new flow that allows users to register their device's warranty, get started using the item, order spare parts, or easily troubleshoot common challenges. To get started, we upload a few sample images, showing what objects we want to model. This tells Sophie what to look for when observing VRA service sessions. Once enough data has been collected, Sophie will autonomously train and test the visual AI model. And when the analyses meet accuracy requirements, it can be published to your preferred environments, ready for real-world use. Let's see Sophie for Salesforce in action. In this scenario, our customer is having trouble with her new iVacuum. From her mobile device, she starts a Salesforce flow, or a conversation through Agentforce, and is instructed to take a picture of her vacuum. Sophie instantly identifies the iVacuum model and can see that there is a problem with the battery. Sophie troubleshoots the issue by walking the customer through each step to remove and reinstall the battery and ensure her device is now working properly. If the customer has any trouble along the way, Sophie automatically connects them to a live agent who can see the historical images and self-service interactions and help quickly finish the installation. The power of computer vision AI for customer experience will increase self-service success rates, reduce support operating costs, and boost customer satisfaction. Sophie for Salesforce, the next generation of visual service automation, is now available in the Salesforce App Exchange.